tricky, you know. Right, guys. I've been working on this gledhill today, and it's tripping the house electrics. Now they got a boiler downstairs, and we're gonna have to sort this out. It's on the job video, and hopefully we're gonna sort this out today. It seems a bit tricky. The amount of things I'm gonna have to disconnect to come to a conclusion what's tripping the electrics. Maybe I could see some leaks somewhere here, but nope. Nah. Right, okay. Let's go for it. So just taking the power fuse off, and then we're gonna. Is it on? Okay. Ask him, right, if you could switch the boiler on downstairs, put the demand on.
Can you switch the boiler on downstairs? Switch the boiler on as well. Yeah, put it on demand, please.
Now, actually, what I'm going to do, right, just to figure it out, what's tripping the electricity in the property, I'm going to switch. See, this one here is going to the boiler. Yeah, that's going to the boiler. I'm going to take the live off that one, put the fuse in, and we'll find out if the boiler is tripping or this tank is tripping. Okay.
Now you have to select number 1. It's on the dial.
Okay. On this one?
Yeah.
Now, set you, I'll switch the power off, don't worry. Just stay there then. So I've disconnected the pump, the boiler. So I've disconnected the pump. No, sorry. Let's get it right. I've disconnected the boiler. We'll see if this baby is tripping or the boiler. Right. So we're going to switch the power on. Find if it's going to trip. Okay. So we've eliminated it's not the boiler. Right. And if it's not the boiler, oh, look at the state of this one. This is the problem there. See? I just seen this one. The pump's leaking.
This one?
Yeah, this one. You see this pump? So this valve is leaking. And this pump is leaking, yeah? So I bet you I'm going to disconnect this. Right. Set you don't put it on yet. Not that it makes any difference anymore. So what we're going to do is disconnect this pump, power it up again, and I bet you this ain't going to be leaking. No, it's not going to be tripping. Get my words right. Yeah, look at that.
How old are you?
You me?
52.
Oh, you got some money here.
1971.
I'm 70. This guy's young hair.
He's been chicken, mate.
No toilet whatsoever.
Really?
What's the secret?
Secret is
WD-40?
Not a bhaji roti, bro.
Yes?
Bhaji the roti. Okay, is it gone off again?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on, go on. We're gonna have to switch it back on.
Switch back on first, mate.
Bhaji the roti.
Switch it on, just come back up.
No, don't come back up because we're gonna. If it trips again.
Oh, just stay down.
Right. So what I've done is disconnected the live. Let's find out. This is working. I think it's gonna be fine after that.
Yes, it's on.
Yeah, but it's not on from here. So, moment of truth, huh, guys. And there you go. See, so we know what the problem is. This is how we do diagnosis, people. Now, this baby is getting live. I've taken this disconnected live, and this is the problem, honey. It's not tripping anymore. And I'm gonna switch the put that. Tell me, you can come upstairs now.
Yeah.
So I've got the boiler going from.
I think what I'm going to do is maybe.
So what we're gonna do is. So got the boiler, got the thing going for these guys. These are gonna have some hot water. I'll put some masking tape around it, made it a bit more safer. Put the cover on it, so this is not gonna trip the electrics anymore. And I'll have to come back. What I've done is I told the customer how to change the pump on it, and he could do it himself. It's simple enough process, just to force 4 nuts on it. So if you can do that, I'm so busy I won't be able to come back, and I'll ask him to if he can do it himself. He's watching something. Otherwise, I'll have to come back and sort it out for him. Right.
close it down both sides. Yeah. Undo that, obviously that excess water. That's it.
Say it again then. No water, no heating. And that's what he's doing. Guys, do you know what's wrong with it? Let me know in the comment box.
He's a plumber and he does.
Come and follow diesel.
Yeah, no man. How am I going to press that?
Yeah, let's have a try. You got one of those please?
Yeah.
So let's try.
If magic touch does it.
See this here, it's coming right.
So guys, this is the baby. The switches come off. Now if you watch this, I'll move it around. There you go. It's made the connection there. He hasn't fired up though. Anyway, right. So we got one of them. We're gonna change them. Okay, but no, yeah. How's it, guys? Be careful, it's not to teach away. What are we doing? I did that. Is it off? It's off, isn't it?
Yeah, the plug's off. The bottom. The bottom.
And plug and play. Oh, sugar. What have we done wrong? You was not concentrating.
No, I thought you was going to bring after it. I knew that.
We've made this mistake so many times. Yeah. And that's basically it. Ready? And hopefully there's a new cap as well though. So yo, grandpa, I'm done.
Look at the zero degrees sharp on that.
What else just came on you? We can't jiggle on this one. We got talking. We kept talking. Hey, switch it off. Come on. Switch it. Got more issues. Yeah, got more issues. Come on. I think got more issues. Yeah. Yeah, got more issues. Yeah. So this one I tried to straighten it, but it's beyond, man. It's gonna take me too long to straighten. Might as well just change it, because these are common issues on these babies.
Really?
So I bought another one, fit that in with a new gasket, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be all working fine. There you go. Where's the one? So I had to change this circuit board because the good lady broke the button on it. And once I got the boiler going and I could reset it, I could.
So this was
Then
gone. This was gone as well.
they forgot to tell me that I was giving error 01 as well.
No,
Well,
no. Was this
maybe
gone?
yeah, that's the broken switch. The broken switch. Because remember, in the helping start. Guys, we got this Biasi boiler working. The display board was gone on it, which is this thing here. Once you got that display board sorted and we got the reset sorted, then we realized the electrodes were all damaged, badly damaged. So that's these. They're completely bent. So just put new ones in for these guys. Okay, till next time. Keep smiling. Birmingham boiler fix. Do you want to give me a review then?
Yes, I would recommend them anytime.
Is that it?
Is that it? That's all I'm saying.
Alright. Thank you so much.
And it's cheap to the car and cheap calling out.
Yeah, I'm cheap. Oh, God, second. Oh, my.